Hello my dear students. So now we start exercise 8.1 question number 4 up to question number 3 were already given to you in the previous video. If you didn't see that, first go and see that, okay, and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel, okay. So start question number from 4. What is question number 4? If the question number 4 is written, okay, so that the diagonal of a square are equal and bisect each other at 90 degree. Okay, so here I will draw a square. Okay, I think it is good for the square A B C D, right? So given is that A B C D is a square, right? And AC and BD are diagonals. To prove, now we have to prove many things here. One of the things is that we have to prove that diagonals are equal, right? Squares, the diagonals are equal. First we have to prove diagonals are equal. That is AC is equal to BD. We have to prove that, okay, and we have to prove that the diagonal bisect each other. Okay, so we have second thing we have to prove that it diagonals bisect each other, okay, at 90 degree. That means we have to prove AO is equal to OC and BO is equal to OD. Also we have to prove that angle AOB is equal to angle BOC is equal to angle COD and is equal to angle DOA is equal to 90 degree. We have to prove that these angles are equal to 90 degree. Okay, this is we have to prove that. Now comes to the proof part. Before starting the proof part, you just write it so that I can rub it. Okay, don't forget that given and this one. No, I think you all noted it. Okay, now proof part. Now for proving it, first we take the triangle ABD. Here I make the separate, no? So that we can understand this, and this one. Why we taking these two angles? Because we have to prove that. Why we taking this triangle? Because we have to prove that both diagonals are equal, and we taking those triangles in which these are diagonals are belong. So here in this triangle DB diagonals are, and in this triangle there is AC diagonal. So we write in triangle ABD and triangle BAC, right? AD is equal to BC. Opposite side of square are equal. Opposite side of square are equal, right? Angle DAB. This angle is 90 degree because opposite side of square. Each side of square is at 90 degree. Each side of square, each angle. Each angle. Each 90 degree. Each angle of square at 90 degree, right? And AB is equal to AB. Common. This means triangle ABD is equal to triangle BAC. SAS rule, side angle side rule, right? That means dB is equal to AC. Okay, CP CT. The first part is proof. Here also write the first. Here diagonals of square are equal. Now note it. I will start the second part. Okay. Now comes the second part. For the second part, we have to take these two triangles. Now, in triangle AOB and triangle COB. Okay, here AB is equal to DC, opposite side of square. Okay, angle, these angles are equal, alternate angles. Angle OAB is equal to angle OCD, alternate angle of line. Which line? AB parallel DC. And what is transversal? AC is transversal. Like that, we can show that these angles are also equal. Okay, the angle, or either we can prove that these vertically opposite angles are equal. Anything we can use, है ना? So you, up to you, which thing you want to show. Okay, these angles are equal. Reason are same. Alternate angle of line AB parallel DC, but the transversal are changed now. The transversal is DB. DB is the transversal. This is written as transversal, right? The both triangles are congruent by SAS rule. By ASA rule. Angle side angle rule. ASA rule. That means AO is equal to OC and DO is equal to OD. CP CT. Take this as 1 and this as 2. Okay? CP CT. So that means the diagonals of a square bisect each other. Okay, now we have to come to the third part. Third part is that, remember equation number 2 and 3. Well, the third part is that we have to prove it is bisect at right angle. So now for that we take these two triangles, and triangle AOB and triangle AOB, na? Yes, COB. AB is equal to CD, side of square are equal, right? And BO is equal to OB, common, and AO is equal to OC from first, next from second, I think, right? From second, equation number second, right? The triangle AOB is equal to congruent to triangle COB by SSS rule, side. Now the angle AOB is equal to angle COB. These two angles are equal now. Okay, these two angles are equal. CP CT. Take it equation number 1, 2, 3, 4. Since AOB is a line, the angle AOB plus angle COB is equal to 180 linear pair. Okay, and both these are equal. We can write this like this from fourth, and the two of angle AOB is equal to 180. Yeah, and this means I will write here angle AOB is equal to 180 upon 2, that's equal to 90 degree. Okay, so what this is show that? This show that okay, this is 90 degree. That means all angles are at 90 degree. Yes, all angles are at 90 degree. So diagonals of square bisect each other at 90 degree. It is proof. Okay. Oh, it's very lengthy question. I think all are clear. You don't have any doubt. Okay. Now we will meet in the next video with the question number 5th. Okay, and 5th and 6th. Before that, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel, and also give your comments. Okay, give your comments. So we will meet in next video with question number 5th. Thank you. Have a nice day and take care.